Today, I'm going to share with you 5 wellness moments that you can incorporate into your workday. As a long-time remote employee, I think I'm going on 13 years now, I know it can be tough to get away from your desk. I mean, let's face it, I may work out in the morning or the evening, but I could spend 8 hours at my desk, attending virtual meetings, taking phone calls, answering email, getting on Teams. I might never leave my chair. So I started to think about what are those moments I can take, those small moments of time that I can use to help me on my wellness journey. So today I'll share with you 5 what I like to call moments that matter. These are things that can help make a difference in just a small moment of time.
I use an under-desk elliptical to keep my feet moving, whether it's during a meeting or even just typing out some emails. During meetings, I use a wireless headset and I will stand up and pace or just walk around my home office as I talk. That way I'm not sitting in my chair throughout the entire meeting. Throughout the day, I make sure to take opportunities to get away from my desk and home office, even if it's just to water the plants for a few minutes. Throughout the day, I like to give my brain a break, give it a moment to recharge. And to do that, I usually pick an activity that doesn't involve any devices. In this case, and for me, coloring. I find it really meditative and it gives my brain a moment to refresh and recharge. To prevent eye strain, you'll want to take a few moments throughout the day to look away from your computer screen. What I like to do is either in between meetings or at the top of each hour is to turn away from my computer and look outside. I'm fortunate enough that I can gaze out into the forest that sits behind my house, but anywhere in your house, as long as you're just looking away from your computer screen to give your eyes a break. And those are 5 of my wellness moments that matter. So don't forget, get your feet moving if you can, stand up and pace while you're in meetings, get away from your desk, give your brain a break, and don't forget to give your eyes a break. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I'll share 5 more moments that matter.